how to transfer USDT from Phantom wallet to your Bybit account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your Phantom wallet and over here click on this option of send. Then type USDT over here and select USDT. Now you would require a Solana address in order to receive USDT. Simply open up your Bybit account, go to your wallet section and there click on this option of receive and then select USDT. Then make sure in the network section you select Solana. After that you will get Solana address, then paste it over here, then type the amount that you want to send and click on this option of next. After that click on send and this way you would be able to send the USDT from your Phantom wallet to your Bybit account, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.